A braided border. That's what we're working on today. Hello, this is Zara's Calm. Let's make a braided border. I'm using these easy ruler, acrylic rulers here, especially this triangle ruler. And you can get these anywhere at Joann's, or I've even seen them at Walmart. But I'm using this easy ruler. So I went along and cut out 1 inch strips of fabric and sewed them into a row. And I took my easy ruler and I cut these cute little triangles out. Don't they remind you of corn candy that you see during Halloween? And then I will sew them into this cute pattern that will resemble a braid. Now this braid can be used in a garment or a wall hanging or your quilt. So this is just an idea. You can put this anywhere you so desire, just as a little accent to bring out a nice color, a pop of color in your quilt. This is how the pattern is looking. So I took it to my sewing machine. So I get these little plastic cards in the mail. I decided to tape it near the foot of my sewing foot so that I could keep an accurate seam allowance. And it really does help. And this is how it's looking as I sewed each triangle together. And this is the result of making a long strip of your triangles. And this is how I put it in my quilt, this little border here. So I hope you take time to make a braided border. This is Olmzara's Calm saying bye-bye for now.